guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another learning and games video. So this is actually part 4. So in part 3, it's just a game skill and taking times. And also if you don't know the answer, you should have tried. But in part 2, I just did some math problems and then you had to memorize them, and then I did some equations. And then part 1, I'm doing it like this. So one time I was like that. I just did this straight away because I knew none of you would know. So I'm going to have again, and also I'm going to have this again. So I'm going to do plus, plus, minus, minus, plus, plus, minus, minus. Also, I'm only doing 2 digit, not 1 digit or 3 digit, because that may seem too hard. And I'm kind of mad at myself doing this in the first video, doing this. So I was kind of mad at myself for doing that. But I mean, now we can do it fair and square. So then this is part 4. And this time it's like part 1. So get your papers and get ready for the first equation. So 46 plus 85. You may know this way, like this. Let me just do something random. You may know how to do this way. And you just plus 9, and so then it's 9 under here. And then you plus these two, 15. So then you put 15 and it will be 159. But no, that's not how it works. Okay, you know what? I'm doing it again. Okay, guys, I'm going to actually not mess up this time, hopefully. So this time so you heard the one you probably heard of. So then now this time is 89 plus 56. So then okay, let me write it so then you know how to set it up. So set it up like this. So this may seem tricky. Just maybe still listen, even though you know how to do this way, because you may not know the answer still. Because I'm going to do it 4 times, and you're going to know the answers. So these two equal 15. So then I put 50. Mistake. So the mistake is that 15 isn't really a 1 digit, it's a 2 digit. So you put the 5, this 5, you know, I'm going to get a different color. So then you take this 5 and then put it here. Then you take this one on here. Okay, let me get another color. I'm just going to take red because red is my favorite color. And then these two will equal 9. And then this, and then 9 plus 5 equals 14. So then the answer is 145. So then if you click this, the answer is there. So then the next one is subtraction. So let me actually show you the subtraction way. And yeah. So this time I will do something. So this time you probably know this way. Which way? Okay, you probably know this way. Like, you may know this way. But no, that's not what we're doing right now. What we're doing right now is something that if you heard of, still look at it, because if you want to know the answer, unless you just want to do it by yourself. But then still, let me still tell you just in case you don't know this way. So this is how it works. You put 48 and then put minus. Okay, you know what? Just set it up first. Set it up, guys. So then first you do 6 minus 4. Okay, 2. Wait a minute. That doesn't make sense. You want minus 56. It's minus 84 because that's impossible unless you want to do it negative. But we're not doing negative right now. So that's not what we're going to do right now. So we're actually going to get rid of the 4 and the 8. So if you don't understand what I mean that you cross the 4 and you cross the 8 and the 4, then you guess you can minus 4. Like if you have 4 and they want 6, you cannot give them 6. I bet you know what I'm saying, guys, right? So you minus that, you make it into 7, and then make this into 4. I know I did it pretty big, but I don't care. So 14 minus 6 now. Well, so if you don't know why I did that, is because on the bottom number, wait, let me get another color. I'm going to get this color back, but I'm going to just get another. So, now you just get it. So, like, have you never heard of a 10 frame? I don't know. But the A and the 5 is a 10 place, and the 4 and the 6 is ones place. So what I mean about that, if in the ones place, if the bottom number is bigger than the top number, you change that top number having a 1 to make it. If it's 1, then you add 11, 2, 12, 3, 13, 4, 14, 5, 15, 6, 16, 7, 17, 8, 18, 9, which should be impossible because 9 is the highest. 9 is the highest, is the last one digit. So then when you give a 10 to the other number, to the top number on top, then guess where you got the 10 from was from the 10th place next to the number. So you X out and make it into a 7. So then 14 minus 6, let me get another color. Get my color back. So then 14 minus 6 equals, let me have time for you to think, 8. 7 minus 5 equals 2. So I will say that the answer is 28. So if you don't know that way, just ask your parents about it, because this is the real way. Just in case you didn't know. So let me see. The answer is 28. So we're going to do the final. So then we're going to do an equation. I know I probably said, I forgot. I think I didn't say I wouldn't do times, but just stop watching if you don't know times. But just in case you know times, just keep watching. So this is a time question. Also, if you're like a nerd or a person that's very smart, if you're a parent, or maybe you're a parent with a kid, or maybe you're a kid, I may help you with that. So, actually, I won't do times actually. So, what I'm actually going to do is that I'm going to do 1 plus and 1 subtraction with the way you learned it. And then when I show you the answer, you may not understand. So I'm going to show you just in case you don't understand. So then I'll just tell you everything. And I may not really tell you, but I mean, it's okay because we're going to do the next equation. So for this equation, you already learned the first way. So don't forget, plus 65. Just in case I forgot to tell you, I may also do it too. But so I'm going to set it up, and I'll put the answer. So this is how it works. So 17. So this is how I set it up. These two equal 13, and these two equal 13 too. Then, so guess this, you're going to put 1 here. Then you put these two, and then question mark, and question mark, and then question mark. Because I don't want to spoil it. So, this is... So, if you want, you can pause it and then think about which are the missing numbers, which one does the question mark stand for, because I'm about to do it. So, in 3, 2, 1, I'm going to open it. 143. Like the video if you got that correct. So, the next one is going to be subtraction. So, this time is going... Oh, I couldn't show you. So the subtraction one, I actually explained you a lot of details. So I bet you're able to do it without my help. But just in case you want my help, go back when I talked about the subtraction, so then you understand. But if you went there, okay, so then go there if you cannot understand what it means. Okay, so we're back, and this is what we're going to do. So just in case you don't understand, this is how it works, just in case you don't understand. So I'm going to do different color again. Okay, so this is how it's going to work. Wait, oopsies. So this is how it's going to work. Guess the bottom number is more or greater or maybe bigger than the one on top. Where if you don't know, you're going to put the line between them. So this is how it works. So then we're going to do that. Then we're going to write T, because the T stands for tens place. And we're going to put a 0 or O. That stands for 1 place. So the 1's place is 2 and 6 right now. So if the bottom number is greater than the top, you're obviously going to put it. You're going to make the 2 into a 12. If you don't know why, I'm going to tell you why. So the reason they do this is because if you have 2, and then also if you don't know this, you can just skip ahead. But remember, I'm only telling this because some people may not understand. So if you have 2, but then someone wants 6, but then you say you already have 2, then too bad, you can't do anything. So if you have at least over, if you have at least like if you have 2, but at least if you have a 10 over a 1 digit and you have a 2 digit, this is a way to solve the problem. 12. So then you get 12 from the 7. So then the 7 has 6. And then you just got the minus. So like 12 minus 6 equals question mark. 6 minus 5 equal question mark. So just fill in those question marks and you may understand. But just use it. So this is a great strategy to use whenever you have a problem. So maybe because soon we might do 3 digit, maybe in a sooner part. But then maybe, and then also I also may do some times in the sooner part and some dividing, and maybe even some maybe some coins, just in case you don't know how many cents. Or maybe I should do that right now. No, it's a math video. So maybe next part, or maybe later, or maybe a sooner part, I may do those kind of stuff. So, now I may tell you the answer. X 16. So I hope you got that one right. So if you don't, so this might be obviously to find, but if you can't find it, well, I'm not saying you don't have good eyesight. I'm just saying if you can't see it, not if you can't see it, you're bad out. You don't have good eyesight. But I mean, just in case you didn't see it, oopsies. You know what? And then these are where the answer words and the other areas, and maybe a square. Wait, let me make a masterpiece. So here is the masterpiece, and so in the last part, you may not remember this, but this is what I did. So let me get the paint. I got the circle. I did this, then did a smaller circle, then did another circle. It looks like it looks getting tinier. And then you get, oopsies. Then you get another, oh my goodness. Then you get another circle. And then you're going, I put like an equation up. And then I just put it somewhere. And like up here, maybe 10. And then I got this kind of arrow thingy that I have, which I'm going to actually use different color of. So then this is how it was set it up. So maybe I should have told you the answer, because just in case you didn't, the answer was 15. And then I would get the arrow. Hello. So then I put it here, and then I just move it around everywhere. And then you gotta pause it, and if it goes on 15, you get it right, 20, 100, or 10. So the point is that you have to try getting the number where you're supposed to get it. It's like a target game. But I feel like the middle might be too hard. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. And bye, guys.